The new EQE, at a glance depending on the onboard equipment and configuration, WLTP operating ranges of up to 660 km/h are possible. The torque delivered to the wheels by the EQE's electric drivetrain is checked 10,000 times per minute and adjusted if necessary. This enables a much quicker response in the later versions with 4MATIC than with mechanical all-wheel drive. The EQE is available with rear axle steering as an option. Two versions are available with a steering angle of up to 4.5 degrees and up to 10 degrees. The turning circle is reduced from 12.5 to up to 10.7 meters with 10 degrees rear axle steering. The electric motor on the rear axle has two windings with 3 phases each. This 6-phase design makes this permanently excited synchronous motor, PSM, particularly powerful. Digital light, optional extra, has a light module in each headlamp with 3 extremely bright LEDs whose light is refracted and directed with the help of 1.3 million micro mirrors. The resolution is therefore more than 2.6 million pixels per vehicle. With the MBUX hyperscreen, optional extra, multiple displays merge seamlessly to create an impressive curved screen band over 141 centimeters wide. The area perceived by the occupants measures 2,432.11 square centimeter. The large glass covering the MBUX hyperscreen is curved in 3 dimensions in a molding process at temperatures of approximate 650 degrees Celsius. This process allows a distortion-free view of the display unit across the entire width of the vehicle, irrespective of the radius of the glass cover. A lithium-ion battery with 10 cell modules is installed in the EQE. In the case of the battery, a major step has been achieved in terms of the sustainability of the cell chemistry. The optimized active material consists of nickel, cobalt, and manganese in a ratio of 8:1:1. No 6 Mood Bittersweet is the name of the fragrance composed especially for the EQE, based on the aroma of dark chocolate. It bears the number 6 because the first electric cars were added to the model range in 1906 in the form of the Mercedes electric vehicles. To get to the most important applications of MBUX, the user has to scroll through 0 menu levels. Hence the term zero layer.